not a beauty guru. Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Sarah Grant, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. I look crazy right now. It's because I was like doing my eyebrows and I did my hair, and I was like, why don't I just like record a chit chat get ready with me? And that's what I'm doing now. So I'm basically just gonna finish up my makeup. I'm just like going out. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go out and like eat brunch probably. But I braided my hair with some Cantu mask moisturizer. This. I braided my hair with this. And then I laid down my edges with this thing right here. And I just tied it down, and now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm just gonna talk about stuff with you guys while I'm doing my makeup. I'm gonna show you what I'm using. I'm using the Bobbi Brown concealer to like conceal my eyebrows. And then I'm using just like a, what are these called? I forget what it's called. Beauty blender. And today actually is New Year's Eve. It's going to be a new year. I'm excited. We're probably gonna see fireworks and stuff. Have a lit time, you know. And my birthday is January 8th, and I'm literally so excited for my birthday. So I put on this concealer first, and it's so white, and I'm trying to like even it out with this darker one, and it's not really working, so pray for me. Okay, I'm taking this Sephora brush and I'm trying to repair my eyebrow because I kind of wiped some of it off. I'm trying to post almost every day. See how long that lasts. What else? Okay, let's talk about school. So I like school. There should be a pep rally coming up soon. And I was supposed to be in a dance, but I dropped out, so interesting. I might be doing a what's on my iPhone X soon once I get my case from Vanity. And I'm like kind of mad because my sister got a similar case from Amazon and it was cheaper, and I wasted money. So yeah, Velvet Caviar. I don't know how I got Vanity. This guy, okay, I'm gonna tell a funny story. So this guy tried to hit me up on Snapchat, and he looks like 20 years old, and it was just hilarious to me. But he was nice. He was really old. So how's your guys' day going? Comment it down below. Comment it. I can't speak. Comment it down below. I got an A on my bio exam. Like, wow, look at me go. And there was no colors. Like, look at me go. And my teacher was coming for our class because she was talking about how we got low grades, but we really didn't. No one got a D. 2 people got C's, and the rest were A's and B's. So like, I'm confuddled, you know? Okay, I'm gonna move to eyeshadow. It's the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette, and this is supposed to be in my Christmas haul, but my sister gave it to me after I uploaded the video, so that's great. And I want to thank my sister so much because she's the best, and she gave this to me. It has luscious colors. It is so pretty. I was going to do a video on it, but you know, lazy team over here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with these two because this is a little bit, wait, no, this, I don't know, I think it's these two. And if I go in Cayenne, yeah, it was. So I'm gonna go with Cayenne and Fuego. And I'm just gonna cover my lid. I don't know all the terms, so don't come for me. If I say crease and it's my lid, don't come for me. So I'm just gonna go on the outside of my lid. I'm gonna go in with Ashes, this color right here. And I'm just gonna line my crease, that part, I don't know. Ooh, can't see what I'm doing. No, that's my brother in the back. Hey brother. This color, and I'm going to put that on my lid now, and it's going to look, it's going to complete the look. Like, it's going to be shimmery. Like, look at this. Ready? Ready? Okay. Like, ooh. Then I'm going to go in with Ounce and really just complete and highlight the look, you dig? Listen in my hair, because I'm done with my makeup. Oh, I forgot to put on mascara. I'm so hungry right now, guys. Using a Lash Sensation Maybelline mascara. Ooh, I'm just gonna put that on. Okay, so as you can see, my edges are laid. And what's gonna with my hair? Curls shapoppin'. What do you mean? I love how much my hair has grown over the past 2 years because I did my big chop about 2 years ago. Now the other side, I'm not gonna put you guys do that again, so I'm just gonna snap my fingers and we'll be all ready because editing. Okay guys, I'm done with my look. My mask is on, my hair is on. Life changer. Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. Deep treatment mask. Restores and strengthens dry, damaged hair. I'm about to take some palm selfies. And you just might see a new Instagram post if you even follow me. This is my ad. But I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to cut it down a lot. And I hope you guys are entertained with this video and you guys see the end result. And you guys actually stay tuned to the end because that would be lovely. And give this video a fat thumbs up. Subscribe down below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Rainbow tree, plus I got this brown in me. Curly yellow dancing on me, so she smell the green on me. She straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna be. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's okay with me. And she said, my old boo left me blue, I really love her, she said.